So welcome to our video where we will compare the same code implemented in the different programming language. So today we are going to compare four languages: C Sharp, Java, JavaScript and Python. So see, this is the code wherein we are adding 1 million of numbers and you know um, printing that result, and also we are printing how much this process take you know time. So this is what it look like in the C sharp. If you are a C sharp developer, you can easily recognize this code, what this code is doing. And then let's see the same code in the Java. So if you are a Java developer, you can also recognize here what we are doing. So we are just adding numbers, right, and putting in a variables. So this is 1 million numbers, right? So similarly, if you're a JavaScript developer, you can see the same code we are having here. We are adding 1 millions of numbers and printing the results and time taken. Similarly, if you are a Python developer, you can see same things we are doing. 1 million numbers we are adding, okay, and then we are printing the results and time taken. Okay, so now we will run each program in for these four different programming language and see the result. So we will run first node, I mean JavaScript code, and let's see how much time this take. And here we go. So see, so JavaScript took around 5 milliseconds. So now we will move to Java. Okay, now we'll run Java and see how much time this take. Okay, so Java program is here and I'm gonna run this Java program and see how much time this takes. Okay, this took 3 milliseconds. Great. So JavaScript took 5 milliseconds and Java took 3 milliseconds. Now we'll run the Python code and let's see the time taken in Python. Okay, so we'll run this and wow, it took around 75 milliseconds. Okay, now we will run the C sharp code and see how much time this takes. Okay, let's run it, and this took around 2 milliseconds. Okay, let's compare. So JavaScript took 5 milliseconds, Java 3, Python 75 milliseconds, and .NET took 2 milliseconds. So now we can see which one is the fastest programming language for this program. So the winner is C sharp, because C sharp took only 2 milliseconds to add 1 million some numbers. Okay, the winner is C sharp .NET.